Okay, so I decided to combine or use the same zoo rooms since it's only around 1 minute as well for the second testing, which is pretty much the same because yeah, for some reason I just don't know how to change the settings on the iPad to make the function working instead of use it for some sort of reduce brightness or reduce volume, increase volume or something like that. And I just didn't notice that it is actually need to be set on the settings on the Mac instead of just using FN button in the keyboard. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it is happen on the other keyboards because for some reason Keychron is able to switch between Windows and Mac, so that's probably the reason why it just need to be set directly from the Mac itself. And even though I'm actually use the Windows mode, I prefer to use Windows mode rather than the Mac mode because yeah, just pretty convenient than with how Windows button become the command button in the Mac instead of directly implement in the Alt instead. So yeah, that's all.